I don't get tired of talking about Spain, reliving the nostalgia I have for Spain. Movie like for me, when I say when Spain happened, all the stars aligned together to make it happen for me because I started learning Spanish when I was in college. I learned it for the sake of it. I didn't have a dream to go to Spain. I didn't have a dream to find a job in the embassy. I just wanted to learn it. But that's precisely where everything changed for me for the rest of my life. When I was studying Spanish, I heard about this language assistant program that's basically known all over the world, but it was the first year it was coming to India. Everyone went for it because it was an opportunity to live in Spain for 8 months and also 700 euros a month, which is pretty decent. Applied for it, not hoping too much, but then when I got it, it was unbelievable. I already had 3 great job offers in India, but I left them all behind for this big great adventure for 8 months. I can honestly tell you this was probably the first time when I landed in Spain was when I felt I belonged somewhere. I don't know, maybe it was the language, maybe it was the people, the way they welcomed me, the way they supported me, the way they sort of accepted me. I felt I was at home. I think a home is a place where you just belong. For 8 months there, and this period was from 2019 to 2020 May, which included the dreaded COVID lockdown. I was there. I was safe in the COVID period when I was like 15 days locked inside one bedroom because that's what I rented. I discovered this whole new creative world that I couldn't discover in India. It's not just a home for me, it's like where I found my spirit, I found my soul. For those 15 days, I created every possible thing artistically, which I never even dreamt of doing in India. I made comics, I wrote poetry, I painted, I wrote book reviews, I read so many books, I watched so many movies. It was mind boggling when it happened. I didn't know that a universe existed inside of me, which just came out when Spain happened. And I don't put everything on that COVID period as the period where my creativity came out. I'd actually started going to these lovely clubs where you go in the evening and you can drink wine, you can enjoy cheeses and just have a hobby there. To go every Wednesday to this little club where they would have real people sit down, they would serve wine and they would serve you cheese, and then you can just stay there for 2 hours, 3 hours, drawing them, talking to them, having fun. So it had already started when I moved there. It just found its final culmination